Ever had a builder tell you, yep, we're done, only to find out weeks later that things are not quite right? We've seen it time and time again. Investors and homeowners thinking that their refurbishment is complete, only to discover that poor finishing, items that don't work as they should, and missing paperwork create major problems further down the line. In this video, I'll take you through the crucial final steps that you must complete before signing off on any project. First of all, snagging. This is where you check the working that's been done against what was originally agreed in the specification. A quick glance round at the end with the builder is never going to identify and find issues that are going to come to light in the next few weeks. It needs a systemized approach. Snagging protects your investment and make sure things are corrected before the final payment. Next, we need to make sure that the workmanship is up to standard. Not all tradesmen complete work to the same standard. A rush job, hidden defects can mean that you're paying for repairs within months. One homeowner we know didn't check the quality of the tile installation, and within a few weeks they had water ingress and very costly repairs. Proper workmanship checks means that problems get fixed before handover, not after. Let's talk about functionality. Every window, door, socket, tap and appliance needs checking before sign-off. We've seen cases where people have moved in only to realise that the hob was never actually wired in. Toilet has been connected to the hot feed so it flushes with warm water. Functionality tests might seem simple, but they can save you thousands in unexpected repairs. Then there's warranties and final sign-offs. Without them, if something goes wrong, the cost is going to be on you. One developer didn't chase warranties or get final approvals, and then when serious issues arose, they have no leverage to help them get it resolved. Make sure all your paperwork is in place before you take the keys. Finally, agree a clear timeline for the final works to be completed. Just because a builder says they're nearly done doesn't mean that they'll actually get finished promptly. One homeowner was told the project's 99% complete, but that last 1% dragged on for nearly 2 months because they've mentally moved on to the next project. Get a deadline and dates in writing. Don't let your refurbishment fall at the final hurdle. These checks are what separate a successful project from a bad one. If you need expert project management or guidance to make sure that your build is completed properly, then please get in touch.